ladies and gentlemen, do us a favor and subscribe. I promise our channel won't prematurely end without explanation like we're about to explain. And
so you want to work at Fitment Industries? Think about it twice. So what happened to Fitment Industries? Drama? Treason? Conspiracy? Backstabbing? Who knows? A lot of people speculate that Fitment Industries is going downhill. Well, maybe just on the entertainment side. The chemistry the crew of Fitment Industries created was peak. The bond they created was awesome, exquisite, and we couldn't wait till the next video. But now they are gone and it will never be the same. Still, I hear many people in the car community and my car friends say that without these main three, Fitment Industries is done for. Honestly, I don't believe that. I know Fitment Industries can make a big comeback with new faces. Just as me and many fans who love Fitment Industries content, we felt some type of panic when we found out that Alex Martini and now Dakota and Jules were leaving the company. Now, after hours of research to find out what was actually truly happening at Fitment Industries, this is what I found. I will not sugarcoat it, but I also will stand unbiased, and let's analyze this logically and be neutral through this. And I waited a month to see every side of the story and get enough evidence to analyze and give a level neutral opinion as a viewer, as a content gobbler. One of the big questions we have, why did Alex Martinez remove the I Left Fitment Industries video?
That, detective, is the right question.
The company strategy went wrong. This is the possible cold truth, but there are many sides of the story. About one of my favorite YouTube channels, Second to Gears and Gasoline. Their online presence made Fitment Industries business bloom, especially on YouTube. When a company grows bigger and bigger, they tend to forget their roots. And all they want to chase is money.
I mean, at the end of the day, money is money. But according to allegation,
it is very obvious to the rest of us that Fitment Industries has been changing in the past year, even longer. One of the big things is that the content creators were pushing products that they did not want to push, according to them, and the fans noticed. They had no control about their content like they used to, but they still performed, but lacking being genuine, and we saw that. When I was doing my research, I found many videos, and when I say many, there's so many videos from every side, many of the employees, CEOs. Apparently, it is a trend to quit Fitment Industries, make a video, upload it to YouTube for clout and views, or whatever reason. Some might even say, well, just like you. But I'm here just to say what people, the fans, are afraid to say without me writing or taking sides. Shit, David used the same thumbnail, hence mine. Just like this guy I found called Hamilton Collection. He's talking about how he quit it in 2020 and the pandemic sales. Brother, that was 2 years ago. We want to know why the main faces of FI are leaving in 2022. He quit it as an owner in 2020, but he came back a year and a half later as a CEO or one of the owners. I watched Hamilton's video. It was about 10 minutes long, where he said a lot of nothing. And not throwing shade, but nobody knew you were gone. And when I mean nobody, I'm talking about the people that watch Fitment Industries every week. And one of the things he said throughout the video that I found kind of messed up as a CEO, owner, whatever, it's this quote, and I quote, "The fact of the matter is that nobody wants to watch a company do enthusiast things anymore. People don't want to
watch Fitment Industries going and having fun, and we saw that with metrics. So unfortunately, what he loved to do wasn't getting views.
That's the fact of the matter."
What the hell are you doing?
And hopefully I don't hurt feelings. This is kind of messed up if you ask me. How come you come up here in your video and say that you had great people working underneath you, but because some of their content was not getting the views you guys wanted, stop them from having fun and strategize again? That is messed up if you ask me. And we get it. It's a business. It's a big company that at the end of the day, you guys want to get money, profit to pay every one of your employees. But these are your top 3 employees. Alex, Dakota, Jules. You guys were supposed to give them more leverage on the content they wanted to make. Most likely, they are bringing you the most sales because they are the faces of the company. And this is my opinion. As a content creator, sometimes your videos won't work or get the views you guys want. That does not mean you have to stop. Even if it doesn't work a couple times, you gotta keep trying. I get it from a business perspective. You gotta make some arrangements. But after seeing your employees' videos of why they left the company, it's like it was clear as water why there was a lot of misunderstandings. And honestly, we the people who watch Fitment Industries love the content because they are having fun and they are super helpful. I'm telling you, and this is my opinion, it feels like it's all about the money. Views equals money, engagement equals cloud, cloud equals money. Money over passion, that's a sickness. A sickness! Some other thing, it's not a coincidence that a lot of high-profile people are leaving at the same time. Not even a year separate, 6 months, no. They're literally leaving the next week or the same day. There's definitely something else going on within the company because either they just don't want to be completely honest with us or legal issues, legal reasons, who knows. Dakota, the day he quit, that same date, he made a video about why he left Fitment Industries. That video right now has 344k views. So basically, he made a great move for himself and his future. While business-wise, that's definitely gonna hurt Fitment Industries. Also, he said that his friends and his wife are still working in the company, so he holds no grudge on the company. Is Fitment Industries coming back from this? For example, just remember when Top Gear members left because of the incident with Jeremy Clarkson, resulting on Jeremy getting fired, followed by James and Richard leaving the show. Top Gear lost so much, and to this day, their turnover for appearances and hosts, it's crazy. It's not where it used to be. Top Gear still fire though. I want to make that clear. And business-wise, this situation with FI screwed the business. We understand that allegedly, Fitment Industries wants to focus more on the products and the merch instead of the content they put out. But if you are working for Fitment Industries after everything they've done for you, as stated by the people involved, feel like a betrayal, a treason of the company that helped you grow and have a big online presence. We get it that it was not the same because of the moves within the company. Your friends were leaving, so the environment and the content creation vibes were not the same. But that happens at every job out there, and people just not quit because their friends are leaving. Unless you already had a backup plan before you left. And thanks to your social media high profile, it was guaranteed it will work. And it's just my opinion again. But if F5 would have offered Dakota a decent amount of money, I'm pretty sure Dakota would have stayed. And that's just an opinion. So money have to be a big point. Some people might argue it's not about the money, it's about the passion. But at the end of the day, if we are honest, it's always about the money. And it's not an attack. They're making the best move for themselves because now they will get to grow exponentially, and we know it. They will monetize themselves the way they want it and make all the decisions at their own discretion. But at the end of the day, Fitment Industries knew what they were doing, especially when Alex Martinez left. They for sure were expecting more people to leave the company. It happens at every company, every job. Once somebody quits and they know that this person was a big influence within the employees, they know for a fact the more people will leave. That's just how it works everywhere. Come up with better options, strategies, but they didn't. And see what happened? And this will put a big hole on their company content and pockets because the faces that we all love to see every week will not be in their videos no more. Let's be honest, every time we saw Alex or Dakota on a thumbnail, we would instantly click on the video. So now getting used to new faces will take some time. And this is coming from a Fitment Industries content gobbler. These new faces, they got big shoes to fill in, but I believe they can do it. So let's wish them the best. If you are still getting paid good money and treated fairly or even great and making content somehow the way you want it, you will stay in that job unless there's something else going on. You just won't quit Fitment Industries, a job that all of them praise and glorify so much on their Why I Left Fitment Industries videos. They are so thankful but still decided to leave. Maybe, and just maybe, they saw that they can make more money by themselves and make their own private decisions because these employees wanted more control and say on the content, and that's understandable. But let's be honest here, once again, if some of them are leaving because their friends are leaving, why aren't they starting a YouTube channel together or a company? There had to be some type of communication going on between them and agreeing to leave the company at the same time. And that's according to Jules on his video of why he left the company on minute 10, second 22, where he says that him and Dakota were talking about leaving the company and trying to hang in there, but couldn't do it anymore. So, did they really get treated that bad? Was leaving premeditated? Who knows? A job a lot of people desire and want to be part of it. Maybe they left because they know their worth. They know that they can be making more money by themselves on the long run. After seeing everything unfolding, it just feels like they weren't getting paid enough, knowing that they are the main faces of the company. Because this is the opinion of a lot of people, that when you talk about this subject, everybody agrees that most of the time there was something else between them that they don't want to speak because of legal reasons or maybe because of the Benjis. But who from the parties involved got greedy? So apparently Zash, am I saying it right? Zash left the company. To be honest, I didn't even know Zash was in the company. And I love that guy. I've been watching his videos since he first bought his TC2 Integra. Now the questions we all have. If they were paid so well, like they said, why did they actually leave? Why they quit it? Fitment Industries, for the love of God. They glorified their working experience with Fitment Industries so much on their videos, but why did they still leave, right? That's all we want to know. The viewers, the fans, the people that are interested in this situation, we just want to know. They keep saying they are very grateful, but there's something they are not telling us. I got another detail. Slow Sam said there's no bad blood, and they are still friends, talking about the new Need for Speed Unbound or whatever. He doesn't even follow Alex Martini. Alex does follow him. Slow Sam does not follow Alex. And I know because I checked. Friends always follow you on Instagram. It's the simplest thing. You know, that's where you show your support, right? Unless, So what are your thoughts with this? We wish all of them the very best. And make sure you guys subscribe to Alex Martini, Dakota, and Jules because they're putting work in their YouTube channels. And we wish the best to Fitment Industries. This is Pushing Gears, coolest car channel on the planet. Till the next one.
Did your hairline start receding before or after?
You see, this is
the
why
Porsche?
I'm so very glad that I asked.